Oh, hi. You've caught me before any makeup or wigs go on. This is my natural look. Not really, it's Annie Lennox, and I'm being Annie Lennox because today we are filming a Sounds of the 80s promo for our Red Button specials.
Clench your fist but bend it back.
So have a look around, drink in all the fabulous looks, because we're going to get very, very 80s pop star on you.
Yeah, and that's it. Yeah.
I
think the eyeline's
That's
good.
it.
Oh, that's it there. Yeah, that's it there, Sarah. Looking fabulous. All right, and 3, 2, 1, action.
The unmistakable sounds and styles that made the 80s the best ever. Join BBC Radio 2 as we celebrate the decade that left us with music that will live forever. It's a wrap. That's what they say at these sort of things. Make sure you listen to BBC Radio 2 every Friday night from 10 o'clock for Sounds of the 80s, and make sure you also catch our Red Button specials on the Red Button.